Hello friends, this side Raj. I am back again to give the best knowledge of astrology. In this session, I will tell you about the day's Prashnavali. Yes, as written on the screen, day's Prashnavali. What is this? I will tell you friends, day's Prashnavali, that every day has its unique load. For example, today is Friday, that is Shukrvar. As we all know that in Indian astrology, Shukrvar is ruled by the Lord Shukra or Lord Venus. So, if anyone asks a question from you, then you may answer of that question without analyzing any kundli or any horoscope or any horara chart, but by using this day's prashnavali, and it is very easy or very quick to answer of any question. I describe you in details. Let's see what is this and how we can use it. Okay, we all know that in a week there is 7 days, that is from Sunday to Saturday. Okay, so I write first one is, that is Sunday, means Ravivar. We all know that Lord Sun rules it, and it represents success in day and unsuccess in night. Okay friends, Sunday ruled by Lord Sun or Suryadev, and it represents success in day and unsuccess in night. And next one is, that is Monday, means Somvar, and Lord Moon rules that day, that is the Chandradev in Hindi, and it represents success in night and unsuccess in day. Okay friends, next one is, that is Tuesday, that is Mangalvar. Lord Mars, that is Mangaldev, rules that one, and it represents unsuccess and worries. Next one is Wednesday, that is Budhvar, and Lord Mercury, that is Buddhadev, rules this day, and it represents success and good decision. Jupiter, that means Guruvar or Brahaspativar. Lord Jupiter rules it, that is Brahaspati Dev or Gurudev, and it represents success in life, forcing matters, success in religious matters, unsuccess in materialistic questions. Next one is Friday, that is Shukrvar, and I already have told you that Lord Venus rules Friday, that is Shukradev or Shukracharya. Success in life, forcing religious and materialistic matters. Last one is Saturday, that is Shanivar, and Lord Saturn rules Saturday, that is the Shanidev, and it means it represents unsuccess in every sphere of life. Okay friends, I have described you all the 7 days and its Lord and what represents by each and every day. If you didn't get well in this video, then you can see the description. I also give you all the knowledge in description box. For easy way to see or to learn, I give an example so that you may understand in easy way what is the days Prashnavali and how we can use it. For example, I am taking some examples. If anybody asks a question about his grandfather, that if anybody asks a question about his grandfather, that grandfather is very sick, his health is getting worse, will he survive or not? If this question is asked on Saturday, and what the Saturday represents, it represents unsuccessful in every sphere of life, so the answer will be no, that his grandfather will not survive. But if this question is asked on Thursday or Friday, that the answer will be yes, that the grandfather will survive. I take another example. If anybody asks that he wants to fight against his brother in a court, he will win that case or not? If this question is asked on Tuesday or Saturday, then the answer will be no. He will not win that court case at all. But if this question is asked on Wednesday, that means he will definitely win the case. Okay friends, so you can use it and say the answer that so I am telling you that if somebody asks okay friends, so you may answer any question as per the nature of that lot related to that a particular day. So friends, if you really like this days Prashnavali, then please like my video, and if you not subscribed my channel till now, then please do it now. I will be back again. Till then, bye bye and God bless you all.